Look at me, Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all?
What's good with y'all?
Alright, so today, what are we getting into? The winner for the G35 is supposed to be coming out here to pick up the car. I was supposed to be dropping it off to him because he is kind of, well, not local, but he's in SoCal, which is about 6 hours away. Instead of waiting for me to drop it off, he got super antsy and was like, yo, I'll come get the car tomorrow. I'm going to pick it up or whatever. So he didn't want to wait for me to deliver it, so he wants to come out here and he's planning on driving the G35 back out to SoCal. So all you SoCal people that watch, you guys may be seeing the G35 out there. Just know it's not me driving. It will be the new owner. But yeah, that's what we're about to be getting ready to do. But before he gets out here, he's going to be out here probably in about 2 hours or so. I need to run the AVM Motorsport to go pick up my wheels. We're still waiting on the tires to get here for the rear, but the front tires are done. So I'll pick up the wheels, maybe get the front set all mounted up and fit it for the vet. But man, y'all see what the rear looking like, man. She super sunken. Looks good though, huh?
Yeah, it does look good.
Looks hella aggressive. Like the Batmobile.
Yeah, you hella sunken in.
Man, you sunken in.
You sunken in.
Man, this is awful. But yeah, this thing looks sick. So I was talking to the owner of Corvette Creations. He's the one that offers this widebody kit. It's the same kit that's on my C5, but C6 version of it. So yeah, if anybody's interested, hit up Corvette Creations. They do make this kit. So yeah, but I was talking to him about getting a carbon fiber hood too. So I just need to decide, or if I need to figure out if I want to wait for the other carbon fiber hood to get back in stock. But the hood that I really want isn't in stock right now. So I'm kind of like on the verge of ordering something that, you know, a second option or a third option that I wouldn't mind having, but the one I really want is like on back order for like crazy long. Whew. Sauce. And here are the new headlights for the C6. These things are beautiful. Can't wait to get these on. All LED, the HIDs right there. These are gonna look dope on there also. But yeah, anywho, let's get out here and go pick up these wheels, and then we gotta go meet up with this kid. Man, look, little nah got clothes. You got clothes. You got clothes. You know better. You know better than that. But yeah, my boy Jesse, aka the owner of Work Customs, his wife got awesome clothes. Every time they bring their pit bulls over, they always have like clothes and stuff on, so she went and got awesome clothes. Move. Get back. You're not coming with me. Decided to come to a tire shop across the street from our shop, and then they're going to give it a go at the 20x12. So like I said, these are standard ZR1 specs, the 245 2520, but it's just a bit to get this thing on here. So hopefully they can do it. That way we can get some, you know, get the wheels all test fitted on. So which one's Santiago?
What up?
What's cracking with you, bro?
Man.
Juiced or what?
Yes, sir. I'm hyped. Man, we're just looking at it right now.
Yep, it's all good. If you want, go ahead. Take a look.
Yes, sir. Nice, bro. It's really nice.
So yeah, this is the winner of the G35 giveaway right here. He's gonna be the one taking it to SoCal.
What's good? Man.
Your brother almost played you though. That was you I had called?
No, it was me, but I was scared.
He was like, nah, this ain't him. I was like, right, bro. We're gonna be going on to the next winner. Alright, cool. Bruh getting ready to take the car right now. This will be the last time we see the G35. Well, as far as me owning it, this will be the last time y'all see it.
I'm still gonna see it. Come on.
Yeah, he the new owner. He claimed he about to be mobbing it around and stuff. I keep telling him, do not crash this car.
I'm not, bro.
She's
baby it, bro. Until I,
he gonna baby it.
until I find, learn how to control it. So.
Yeah, I gave him a ride earlier. I didn't really vlog it or nothing. It was just like sliding down the street, shit.
Yes, sir.
Squiggly. So he knows what to expect. Like, it will break loose. Keep telling him, I can't emphasize. Play it safe and learn the car. Don't get on it and just like, all right, floor it. Do not SpongeBob yourself. Gotta respect the power.
Yes, sir.
He can drive it. He's not gonna go all crazy. Man, it's my money, yo. Yeah, run it.
He's trying to rob you.
Right? You trying to cover it back up.
Yeah. Oh, here, look.
Yeah.
Is this for the key? For the wheels?
It's a regular one. That's mine.
Oh, this yours?
That's mine.
Sorry, boss.
What's in here? Let me see.
Some change, bro.
Man, I'm gonna let you keep the change, bro. But you can't keep this $1 in this CarMax, bro.
I was about to go into that 91.
Y'all see that? He trying to cover up my dollar.
My boy.
Man, it was 2 of them. This is tacos right here, bro. Tacos.
Hey, did you get the cologne out of the bag?
I did.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he wasn't getting the cologne. She's really leaving. He's struggling to get in reverse again. You remember how to get in reverse? Hold on. Car behind you, yo. Come on, rookie. Saying bye-bye to the G.
Mike, you have a good one.
All right, boy, take care of it. She's leaving. All right, so now that we're done giving away the G35, hopefully the new owner enjoys it, and I really do hope I hope he's safe. I just don't want anything to happen to him. You know, it is a fast car. I think this is the fast car that he's owned. So, you know, the goal is for him to be safe and to be happy and enjoy it. So, with that being said, now we're back onto getting this thing ready. My front or my rear wheels, I dropped them off at the tire shop. They actually got them to bead, but I need to go to Oakland to go grab the other rear tire and the new set of tires that we ordered. That way I can have them over there mount everything up because they seem to be able to do it. So I'll probably have them do that. We will be having the rear wheels on tomorrow, but the front wheels are here. So I'm about to start getting the front all fitted up and situated. And then tomorrow we can get the back ones on. So let's get these Johns on here. At least the front won't be so sunken. All right, just got that all mounted up. Let's see how we looking. Ooh, probably need a slightly smaller spacer. Slightly smaller. All right, so y'all see that's the little dilemma right there. Is right now I have a 1-inch spacer, aka 25 mil, and it is slightly too much. And I need about a 15 mil if I want to sit flush. But they don't make a 15, so if I want to do a 15, I would need to do extended studs. I think the smallest bolt-on spacer they make is like a 20 mil for the Corvette, but I definitely need about 15 mil in, so, or 10 millimeters in. That way I can get the fitment that I want. But yeah, these wheels are gonna look sick on here, especially with the new brakes that's gonna go on. Fill all that in with the bigger rotors. But that's the only little problem. So we need to go in. So maybe I'll take the spacer off and see how it looks. I mean, the fitment can't get much worse than what it was with the stock wheel. So I'll probably do that and then order a 15 mil slip-on spacer and do extended studs. That way when we do the brakes, we can do the extended studs and stuff at the same time. So, all right, so I take it back. It actually doesn't need a 15 mil spacer. This isn't the fitment that I'd want, but I can kind of get away with this. Like, no lie, I can get away with this. But it is slightly, like a little bit of gap right there. Me personally, I would probably even run like a 5 mil spacer just to flush this up to where, you know, you wouldn't really be able to tell. But that's actually not bad. No spacer on there and fitment's pretty good. It's really not bad at all. Like, I can get away with this. So this will save me some money from having to buy spacers. Doesn't look bad at all. I'm digging this. Like, I don't want to hype my own build up, but dude, this is looking good. Like, I couldn't ask for something to go more smoother than this. It's just going together perfect. Haven't even had this car 3 weeks yet. I think it's been about probably 2 weeks or so. So, you know, from stock to what it is now, we're doing really good. And my goal for this is to finish this in 1 month. All right, so since the last clip, we did raise this car up a little bit. You guys remember on this side it was tugging, so raised it up about, I'd say maybe a ½ inch or so. But this is definitely more practical for daily driving use right here. Got about 6 inches of ground clearance from the carbon fiber lip, so plenty of room there. But I'm going back and forth trying to figure out if I want to throw this hood on here. Like, I want the carbon fiber version of it, but there's no carbon fiber in stock, and I'm impatient. I don't like waiting, so decisions. I really want to get this on here, or I really want to get a hood on here, but I'm just like, do I do it? Do I wait? Like, hands down, this is probably my favorite style hood that they offer for this car, but I don't have it in carbon. That's the only thing that's killing me. Carbon fenders would look so good with a carbon hood, but I could make this black to tie it in with the roof, so I don't know. Black on carbon would still look fine, or I could just paint it silver. I still don't know yet. Up in the air on what exactly I want to do. This is where my indecisiveness comes in play. I've been walking back and forth around the shop for like the last, probably, I don't know, just walking around the car looking like, what do I want to do, pacing back and forth, trying to figure out a game plan or plan of attack. So if I start adding too much black to it, then it drowns out the silver. So the silver will end up probably going carbon or black unless I tied it in right. So that's my main thing right now, is trying to figure out exactly how I want to go about this without overdoing it, but not underdoing it. What y'all think? This hood or wait? This hood or wait? Carbon or just do it black? And if I do decide to use this hood, I know I could carbon wrap it, but with all the real carbon on the car, I kind of don't want to carbon wrap it, because then people will think, maybe these are carbon wrapped, and you know, it's real carbon, and the front lip is carbon. So
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck them niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a